Hello, today is vegan day. Yes, vegan day. And I'm going to prepare a dish from Spain. It's called Arroz Meloso. Now, Arroz Meloso is very similar to what people call in Italy risotto. Similar, but not the same, if you know what I mean. The way you prepare is different. I prefer the Spanish style because of the way that they prepare the ingredients. Now with the arroz meloso, you can actually cook it with catfish, you can cook it with seafood, you can cook it with shrimp. This one I'm preparing it plain because once again it is vegan day. So go nowhere, let's create. Let's add the extra virgin olive oil. I'm using some Spanish one. The Spanish sofrito, not to be confused with Puerto Rican sofrito, anything like that. This was truly Spain style sofrito. That's from Spain. And I made this one up. It's a tomato base. I did it like they do it in Spain. And I'm going to put the video in the description. Let it simmer for like 30 seconds. Now this sofrito already had the ingredients that otherwise I would have had to be chopping and putting together, like tomatoes and garlic and things like that. So I don't have to do that now. Getting smoky here, getting smoky. So let me back out so you can see. 1 cup of round rice or bomba rice. This is the same type I use for my paella. Start mixing things up a little bit. You know what? Just a little bit more. Why not? Just mixing it up for a minute or two. Let me switch utensils. See? And this is still in high heat, by the way. Just still mixing it up, still in high heat. Let me add some water. I have 2 cups here. Let's make it another 1/2 cup, so it's 2.5 cups. Still high heat, going to let it raise to a boil before I lower it and I cover everything. Let me do a little taste. I'm going to need some salt. Adding some sea salt. For flavor. Now that it's boiling, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the heat to medium and I'm going to cover it up. Once I cover up, I'm going to let it cook for until the water goes down, no, but not completely down. It says it's going to take several minutes. I don't know how much because I had to watch it. It's going to depend on a lot of factors here. I would say maybe 10 to 12 minutes. So 3 minutes into the cooking, I came and decided to give it a look. I'm going to move things around to make sure they're not sticking at the bottom. Things are looking good. Going to cover it up again. Let's see how it looks in the 8 minutes mark. It's getting there. Let's move it around. So you have to watch it, otherwise it can burn at the bottom. You don't want that. It's been cooking for 8 minutes from the moment I cover it. It's not there yet. It's getting there, but not there yet. Going to cover again. It has been 10 minutes in the process. Almost there, almost there. Now I have to watch it closely. Yeah, it's almost there. It's looking good. Okay. Arroz Meloso. So what I'm going to do, because the thing is, I have cooked this before with seafood, you know, like fish, cod, and you can do that. But because I'm trying to make it to appease my vegan friends, I decided to just do plain. But I'm going to add a little bit of parsley. And I'm not talking Italian parsley, I'm talking about regular parsley. But this is not an Italian dish, it is a Spanish dish like from Spain. Let me cover up for about a minute at low heat. We're done.